So first I'm gonna take an A4 size paper, and then I'm gonna cut this paper into small pieces, into small bits of paper. Alright, so I'm gonna show you, and these are the small bits of paper, okay, exact same length and width, from which I'll be making all of the drawings for the flipbook. Okay, and here is the blueprint. From this blueprint I'll make multiple drawings on and on with the help of this piece. Okay, and here is the deck of the drawings. Now see how the symbiote is taking over Spider-Man. After each flip there is an increase in the symbiote, taking over Spider-Man. Here you can see all of these multiple drawings. So I've moved in slowly, and with the help of the blueprint I have made the symbiote moving forward. At the end you will see the final form, the black Spider-Man. Okay,